Good morning, students. I wish you all are well at your home. Today it is a computer class, chapter 1, Computer Fundamental, part 2. So, in last class we have discussed about types of computer. So, we have learned about so many types of computer like desktop computer, laptop computer, embedded computer, game console, tablets, smartphones. So these all are the types of computer which we have discussed in our last class. Now next one is benefits and limitations of computer. We also have discussed about some limitations and some benefits of computer, like speed, accuracy, reliability. These all are the benefits of computer, and limitations are like lack of intelligence, it is not capable for learning from experience, and the social impact of computer in on our society. So these all are the topics which we have discussed in our last class. Today we are going to discuss about applications of computer, convergence of technology, and parts of computer. So first of all, I'm going to show you a video. I hope you will better understand by this video and you will enjoy this video.
Phones, tablets, social networking, etc. are quite unimaginable today. Computers are used in various fields to accomplish different tasks. Almost every industry or area of human life has benefited from the use of computers. A computer has helped mankind reach great heights.
So by this video we understood that computer is the important part of our life. In every area we are using technology, we are using computer, and some of the application area of computer are like we are using computer in education, we are using computer in entertainment. So these all are the areas of computer, like application areas of computer where we use computer. Next is,
Let's discuss some of the application areas of computers. Computers are changing the way education is delivered in schools and colleges. Computers are also used to create projects, search for information, and learn more about the world around us. Nowadays, many universities and schools are offering online courses. You can access the study material online, take tests online, and get a degree or certification from any university located anywhere in the world. Computers are also used to teach in a more interactive manner. Instead of just reading books, you can watch a video or animation on the screen and understand concepts more easily, like you are doing in today's session.
so education is the application area of computer. We are using computer in education sector, like we are using smart boards, we are using presentations, और हम ऑनलाइन फॉर्म्स फिल कर सकते हैं, हम ऑनलाइन टेस्ट ले सकते हैं, हम ऑनलाइन डिग्रीज ले सकते हैं, कहीं पे भी किसी भी लोकेशन पे बैठ के हम ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड कर सकते हैं, एंड अपने क्लासेस को, अपने चैप्टर्स को और इंटरेक्टिव बनाने के लिए हम स्मार्ट बोर्ड्स का यूज़ करते हैं, कंप्यूटर्स का यूज़ करते हैं, मोबाइल्स का यूज़ करते हैं, वीडियोस का यूज़ करते हैं. सो in this way we can say that education sector is the application area of computer, because we are using computer in education area so widely. We are using smart boards, we are using videos, we are using some interactive content to make our student understand. So in this way we can say that education sector is also a good application area of technology. Next one is
computers are also used extensively today for entertainment by both the young and the old. People use it to listen to music and watch movies and videos or play a host of games. This content can be stored in computers and even smartphones. The content can also be accessed through connected computers over the internet across the world.
so second area of technology, application area of technology is entertainment. एंटरटेनमेंट के क्षेत्र में भी हम कंप्यूटर का काफ़ी यूज़ करते हैं. लाइक वी आर यूजिंग टू लिसन म्यूज़िक एंड वी आर वॉचिंग मूवीज़, वीडियोज़, वी प्ले गेम्स. सो हम एंटरटेनमेंट में भी कंप्यूटर का काफ़ी यूज़ करते हैं, गेम्स खेलने के लिए, वीडियोज़ देखने के लिए, म्यूज़िक सुनने के लिए. So in this way we can say that entertainment is also an application area of computer. हम entertainment में भी कंप्यूटर का काफ़ी यूज़ करते हैं. Next one is
Research and engineering are other important areas of computer applications. Computers have made it possible for researchers, engineers, and scientists to perform complex calculations accurately. These professionals are also using computers to store and share a large amount of information related to the research. The healthcare industry has also benefited immensely through the application of computers. Computers have completely transformed the way healthcare and pharmaceutical industry functions. Now, modern equipment in hospitals helps to diagnose and treat diseases that were earlier thought to be deadly. The equipment use computers to diagnose and treat diseases. The communication technology based on computers has enabled doctors to reach out to more number of patients in less time.
so research and engineering. It is also a application area of computer. For researchers, for engineers, for scientists, computer make complex calculations easy. जो इंजीनियर्स हैं या जो रिसर्चर्स होते हैं या जो साइंटिस्ट होते हैं, कंप्यूटर हेल्प करता है उनकी कि वो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स कैलकुलेशंस को या कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोजेक्ट को इजीली सॉल्व कर लेते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंप्यूटर. And also they can share a large amount of information, a large amount of data in computer. And next application area of computer is healthcare and medical industry. healthcare और medical industry में भी कंप्यूटर का काफ़ी यूज़ होता है. किसी भी डिजीज़ का डायग्नोज करने के लिए, किसी भी डिजीज़ को उसका पहले से पता लगाने के लिए बहुत सारे टेक्निकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं, जिनमें बहुत सारे एम्बेडेड कंप्यूटर्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं. तो और बहुत सारी ऐसी वीडियोस होती हैं जो स्टूडेंट्स को दिखाई जाती हैं फॉर गेनिंग एक्सपीरियंस टू देम, कि वो एक्सपीरियंस कर सकें उस चीज़ को कि ये ऑपरेशन किस तरीके से किया गया था. सो दीज ऑल आर द एप्लीकेशन एरिया ऑफ कंप्यूटर. द कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड ऑन कंप्यूटर has enabled doctors to reach out to large number of patients in less amount of time. डॉक्टर्स जो है वो बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स के पास बहुत कम टाइम में पहुंच सकते हैं, अवेलेबल हो सकते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ एप्लीकेशन एरिया ऑफ कंप्यूटर. नेक्स्ट एप्लीकेशन एरिया ऑफ कंप्यूटर इज
Computers have made it easy to withdraw money without visiting a bank and standing in a queue. Paying bills online or shopping online using debit or credit cards are common in today's fast-paced world. Computers have also made it possible for people to access financial institutions, such as stock market, from their homes. People can trade in markets using online trading websites. Computers have made it possible for governments to provide services to citizens through the internet. These services are known as e-governance. For example, your parents can pay their electricity and telephone bills and download the passport application form from government websites.
So banking and finance industry is also an application area of computer. हम किसी भी तरीके का ट्रांजैक्शन ऑनलाइन कर सकते हैं, डिपॉजिट कर सकते हैं, विड्रॉल कर सकते हैं, ऑनलाइन अप्लाई कर सकते हैं हम फॉर पासबुक, फॉर डेबिट कार्ड, फॉर क्रेडिट कार्ड. तो हम ऑनलाइन पूरा बैंकिंग अपना ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं. तो दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ कंप्यूटर. एंड फाइनेंस इंडस्ट्री लाइक स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में हम हर स्टॉक मार्केट की हर एक्टिविटी को हम ऑनलाइन पता कर सकते हैं. हम ऑनलाइन ट्रेड करके कुछ भी सेल कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी हम परचेज कर सकते हैं. so this is because of technology, this is because of computer. Next one is government services. So government provided us so many services with the help of internet. Like we can apply our Aadhaar card online, we can pay our electricity bill online, we can apply for passport online. so ये सारी गवर्नमेंट ई-गवर्नमेंट फैसिलिटीज़ हैं जो हमें प्रोवाइड की गई है इंटरनेट के थ्रू, जिससे हम ऑनलाइन इन सारे फैसिलिटीज़ को यूज़ कर सकते हैं.
The police and armed forces use computers to enhance their capability to tackle crime. Computers have made it possible for us to install closed-circuit cameras and smoke sensors to trace harmful activities and prevent acts of crime. Nowadays, most public places are equipped with such cameras and sensors. The data collected from these cameras is used by the police to track people who can cause harm to the society. Computer also makes it easier for law enforcement departments to maintain the record of criminals. They use computers to gather and share information about events and people who can be a risk to the national security.
So law enforcement and security services. This is also an application area of computer. They are also using technology in their services like smoke sensors. Smoke sensors से क्या होता है? स्मोक सेंसर से कोई भी अगर क्राइम होने वाला है, कोई इस तरीके की एक्टिविटी होने वाली है, तो वो पहले से उसको सेंस कर लेता है. एंड लाइक सीसीटीवी कैमराज. तो सीसीटीवी कैमराज में क्या होता है? सीसीटीवी कैमराज इज फॉर रिकॉर्डिंग, और रिकॉर्डिंग करके अगर कोई भी ऐसी एक्ट ऑफ क्राइम होता है या इस तरीके की कोई एक्टिविटी होती है तो उसके बारे में हमें पता लग जाता है. सो सिक्योरिटी सर्विसेज आर ऑल्सो यूजिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज एंड law enforcement like police and armed force are also use computer to enhance their capability to tackle crime. को टैकल करने के लिए पुलिस जो है वो भी टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज कर रही है. क्रिमिनल्स की जो इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है उसको वो ऑनलाइन सेव करके रखते हैं ताकि वो सेव्ड रहे और उन्हें किसी भी क्रिमिनल के बारे में इजीली इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाए. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो द application area of computer.
Communication is yet another field that computers have transformed completely. Computers have made it possible for you to contact your distant friends and relatives easily. Many of you must have chatted with your friends living in other cities and countries. Social networking sites, instant messengers, email, and video conferencing have truly made the world a smaller place.
Communication is also an application area of computer. We can talk to our friends, we can talk to our relatives, we can chat to them, we can do video conferencing on social media, we are connecting with people. So communication मतलब किसी से हम बात कर सकते हैं, हम किसी से वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग कर सकते हैं. इन सब फैसिलिटीज को बहुत इजीली एक्सेसिबल बनाया है और इसके साथ में ही दीज आर नॉट और एक्सपेंसिव. So computer technology made it easy to talk everyone, to socially connected everyone. Social networking site and instant messages, emails and video conferencing have truly made the world a smaller place. We can talk each other, we can do video conferencing with each other. So communication is also a big application area of computer, of technology. So these all are the application areas of computer. Next is
The term convergence of technologies means merging of technologies in various application areas. Let us see what this means. Take the example of a school. Modern schools have replaced their blackboards with smart boards. Teachers can display audio-visual content for explaining various concepts to students. Difficult concepts can be explained easily through animations. Today, you can access your assignments on the school website and email your projects to your teacher. You can even chat with your friends, check what they study, and clarify your doubts. Your parents receive alerts on their mobile phones when a rainy day is announced or the parent-teacher meeting approaches. Your parents can pay the school fee through the school website. All this is possible due to the application of Information Communication Technology (ICT) in the education system. The technologies that we discussed here, such as multimedia, telecommunication, and banking, have converged together to enhance the education system in schools.
So conversion of technology means टेक्नोलॉजी जो है वो जो हमारे एप्लीकेशंस एरिया हैं, जो कंप्यूटर के एप्लीकेशन उनमें मर्ज हो गई है. हमारी डे टू डे लाइफ में हम टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज कर रहे हैं आजकल. लाइक वी आर यूजिंग स्मार्ट बोर्ड इन स्कूल. स्कूल में स्मार्ट बोर्ड यूज किया जाता है जिससे स्टूडेंट्स को इंटरेक्टिव कंटेंट दिखाया जाए और उनको अपना जो टॉपिक है, अपना जो भी सब्जेक्ट है वो इजीली समझ में आ जाए. Teachers can display audio-visual content for explaining various concepts to students, and different concepts can be explained easily through the animations. Animations का यूज करके टीचर्स कंसेप्ट को क्लियर करते हैं या ऑडियो विजुअल कंटेंट के थ्रू क्लियर करते हैं. So we are using technology in our day-to-day life, and this technology is merged in our life. So this is what convergence of technology. We can submit our assignment online. टीचर हमें असाइनमेंट ऑनलाइन दे सकते हैं, असाइन कर सकते हैं. हम अपने असाइनमेंट को ऑनलाइन सबमिट कर सकते हैं. पेरेंट्स के पास आजकल हर चीज़ की इंफॉर्मेशन पहुंच जाती है. लाइक इफ देयर इज अ रेनी डे देन parents get a notification, and if there is a PTM, then also parents get the notification about it. So these all are the application area of computers, of technology, which we are using in our day to day life. पेरेंट्स जो हैं वो ऑनलाइन पे कर सकते हैं फीस स्कूल की. एंड बैंकिंग में हम कंप्यूटर का यूज़ कर रहे हैं. लाइक वी आर यूजिंग to withdraw, we are using to deposit, we are using to transfer money, and we can use all our banking from our home online. So the impact of conversion of technology in the education, in the field of education is that we are using audiovisual content in our studies. So by using communication technology and information technology, a term CT is communication technology and the another term IT is information technology, and merge these two terms, and one more term is there, information communication technology, that is ICT. तो communication technology that is CT और इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी दैट इज आईटी, दोनों को मर्ज कर दिया गया और एक नया टर्म बनाया गया है, दैट इज व्हाट आईसीटी, इंफॉर्मेशन कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. द कन्वर्जन्स हैव रिजल्टेड इन वेरियस एप्लीकेशंस सच एज ऑनलाइन गेमिंग एंड चैट रूम. और ये जो आईसीटी है, इंफॉर्मेशन कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, इसके रिजल्ट में बनाया गया है ऑनलाइन गेम्स एंड चैट रूम्स. So various applications these technology are using through the ICT, that is what information communication technology.
The telecommunications industry provides services such as telephone and wireless communication by using communication technology or CT. Information technology or IT is used to create, store and present content through the use of computers. The merging of IT and CT has created the information communication technology or ICT. This convergence has resulted into various other applications such as online gaming and chat rooms, internet telephony, etc.
I hope you have understand the content in a better way with the help of this video. And our next topic is different part of computer. So different part of computers are so many devices, so many components of the computer which are connected to the computer. Two main component of the computer is, first one is hardware and second one is software. So hardware is the physical part of the computer and software is a set of instructions written to achieve a common objective, like hard. So hardware is the physical part which you can touch, but software is not a physical part. You cannot touch the software. Hardware is like keyboard, like mouse, these all are the hardware of your computer, and software like MS Word, TouchPaint, these all are the softwares of our computer. And some hardwares of computer are like its input devices, CPU, central processing unit, output devices, storage devices. So these all are the hardware of a computer. So parts of computers are, here you can see in this picture, input devices, output devices, secondary memory, primary memory, CPU. So these all are the parts of computer, and about these parts and about this topic we will get more information in our next class. Now it is your home assignment. You have to do this filling the blanks in your notebook and these true false also. These are some subjective questions which you have to do in your notebook. Do complete your home assignment in your notebook. Answers of these questions I will be sharing in your group, and in next class we will discuss about remaining chapter. Thanks for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you so much.